Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, Real Life Dari Lessons. My name is Val and I will be teaching you how to speak Dari, the official language spoken in Afghanistan. Now, a little bit about me. I have been speaking Dari all my life. My parents always spoke with me in Dari at home as I grew up. So yes, and I'm ready to share this beautiful language with you for those of you who are interested in speaking Dari. Now, I know that Dari can seem a bit overwhelming, but don't worry. I am dedicated and here to teach you how to speak fluently, and if not fluently like a native speaker, at least enough to where you're able to communicate with another Dari speaker. Now, my lessons are quite different. I do not teach behind a desk. I believe that being out and about is the best way to learn for me personally. So when I go out and about, I will take you with me. If I go grocery shopping, if I have an appointment, I will take you around with me and teach you vocabulary, conversation, how to speak, how to ask questions. This is how you will learn being in the real life setting, or real live setting, I should say. So let's begin. Our first lesson is quite simple. I'm going to start with the easy lessons, and then we will gradually move up as we move along. So if you have any questions for me, please do leave it in a comment section down below. All right, let's begin our first lesson. Our first lesson, obviously, is how to say hello. Very simple. So there are two ways of saying it. I will teach you the correct two ways. Number one, the formal way of saying hello is salam alaikum. Salam alaikum. Salam alaikum. So that's what it sounds like when you say it fast. Salam alaikum. Salam alaikum. Now, salam itself means peace be upon you. That is exactly what the word translates to. Salam. Peace be upon you. Now, when somebody responds to you and they say wa alaikum assalam, wa actually means and in the Arabic language. Now, I'm not teaching you Arabic, I'm teaching you Dari, the official language of Afghanistan. However, there are some words that are derived from the Arabic language. So when I say wa, it means and. Wa alaikum assalam. Wa alaikum assalam, which means and peace be upon you too when you respond to someone. Now, in Dari, usually a younger person will say salam to an older person or an elderly person or someone who is generally older than them, and the older person will respond by saying wa alaikum assalam. However, although both parties can say it back and forth, wa alaikum assalam to each other, a younger person usually says salam, and the older person will respond with wa alaikum assalam. Now, that was the formal way of saying hello. The informal way of saying it is simply salam. Salam. And you can say salam right back. Salam. All right? So now that wasn't too hard, was it? Now, if you look down below at the screen, I've written it out for you so you're able to pronounce it in English. All right? So let's say that one more time. Salam. Salam. Wa alaikum assalam. Wa alaikum assalam. Salam alaikum. Wa alaikum assalam. Salam alaikum. Wa alaikum assalam. All right? So that is how you say hello. All right, that wasn't too hard now, was it? I'm going to try to keep the lessons as short as possible just so to help you understand the concept and give you time to absorb the information in and, of course, remember it. When you understand the root meaning of certain words and phrases, I think it becomes a lot easier to understand Dari in the first place. All right, my dears, that was the lesson for today. Very simple, very easy, how to say hello. Now, try to practice that a little bit until our next lesson. All right, till next time, Khadafis.